How to use $20 USDT coupon on Bybit. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm going to show you the ways on how you can use $20 USDT coupon on Bybit. So for that keys, first of all, go ahead and open up your Bybit application. Make sure that you have an account. So when you're on this page, it's going to show you this sort of interface. So when you're logged into your account, and then you have to go to reward hub. When you do that, it's going to take you to the page where you can see your rewards. So right on top, you'll be able to see this option as one my reward right on top. Go ahead and press on it. So this is actually your 20 USDT coupon. So go ahead and press on it, and here you'll be able to see this instructions on how do I use it. Press on the link, and here you have this instruction as make a trade to apply your coupon. If your trade meets the criteria stated in our TNCs, that is terms and conditions, the coupon will be automatically applied. And on the number 3, you have coupon can be used to offset trading fees for perpetual and further contract, and likewise you have coupon will be deducted to cover fees prior to your own capital. So you could go through, follow these instructions, and accordingly you'll have an option to use it when all of these criteria meets, and you just follow the instructions and you'll have successfully used the $USDT coupon on Bybit. In this way, you could go ahead and use your 20 USDT coupon on Bybit. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.